Hello everyone. So welcome back to the session. So till now we have learned about props, state, difference between props and state, and hooks also, right? Along with the props drilling. In the hooks we have learned about use state, use effect, and use ref. So in this session we will learn about event handlers in React. Same like in JavaScript we have, right? On change we have on click, on key press. We have multiple event handlers, but these are the four things. Everything functionality is same, nothing is different, but we will only use the keyword is difference, that's it. So next we can go with on select. So these are the event handlers we will do, and form handling, and along with that we can go with the topic of conditional rendering, nothing but conditional statements. Yeah, so let's close it all, everything, and we can start again from the scratch. Oh, that one also is deleted. No, not an issue. So first we will go for event handlers, and let's create a component here itself. Let's delete, or else inside the component let's create a folder event handlers. So inside the event handlers let's change event.js. So CSS, don't worry about CSS, we will apply for global as of now. We can apply it later for all the things independently. So let's with the on change IMR, which is a shortcut for importing the React. And also now let's go with an constant change as an example, or else change function equal to arrow function, then coming into next export default change function. Now we are going in here, returning the statement, whatever we want to return we will return in the HTML. So let's in return we can do as an input tag, so where we will do returning the statement. So now here logic we can write, where business logic here, and rendering in the DOM. So let's go with the business logic. Here in the business logic, first of all, any component, if you want to change the state, anything, we need a state value, constant value comma set value equal to use state with an empty string, so that we are giving as an empty string. So that now you need a value. For that I need a function. Whenever I am triggering this one, I need a function, right? So constant handle change equal to arrow function. So let's go inside the arrow function, dig into arrow function. So here we are giving triggering of event. Now constant, let's like set value equal to event.target.value. That's what we are giving, right? So once we got it, constant we can give as a new value. For now means what we are giving, now constant set value is equal to what we are entering in that new value. It will be the set value, so that the state will be updated. Now console.log of value. So let's give a function here. So what we can give, type equal to text, same like HTML. After the what are the attributes are there, value I will give. What is the value I will give? Here is the state initial value, so that is the value. After that, on change is a function where given handle change as a function name, and placeholder we can give for now, enter data. Okay, so this is a change event, and this one we have to give with a class name or id equal to input change. So everything id should be in quotations. Okay, now let's go with input change id. Copy this and go for index.css or app.css. Dot put change padding to rem margin to rem. For safe side I'm giving, that's it. So let's import it in the app.js. So how we can import? Same, import change event from dot slash component slash event handler slash change event. So let's calling this, that's it. Let's remove it, comment it, that one. And now if you go to UI, yeah, we are getting it, but where are the styles I have given? Oh, we have given dot id means here it is. Yeah, so let's check console. I'm getting the data, see whatever it is there, I'm getting the data. So I want to print it below that thing in a div. So let's print it div. Oh, see, error is coming, so we have to give fragments. So let's copy this and inside that paste it. So make sure inside that comment will not work, so we'll give div h2 tag where we will get the data of value. So whatever we're entering data, we will get it here. See, no need of console also. Now whatever we are getting, for example, welcome to Swhizz Technologies MERN class. See, this is how it will happen. So I hope you got an one event handler what you are doing it. So let's go with another event handler with apart from on change. Click event .js. So same thing, let's copy for function, but I will remove this for now and remove this. I need a function only structure. So in click function, so constant clicked equal to is a function where we will get it data. So inside that you can give constant another function handle click. So inside that function you can do console.log of clicked the button. Okay, so now returning here, I think we no need of this one, we are giving only button, right? So button, so insert the button, let's do it like this one, button, and click me. So now I will give on click as a function of handle click. I think we no need of this directly of this one. Yeah, we no need of this. Yeah, that's it. So when I'm clicking on it, it's triggering on this one. So same, let's go import, copy this, paste it, click event, click event. So copy this and paste here. So let's go here and console it. You can check the data or else refresh the data, click me. See how many times I'm clicking, that many times it's showing on. So this is another event handler. Whenever we are clicking, we will trigger a function, or else we can say, we can do one thing on clicking the function. I can say console.log off, welcome to React logics. So when I'm clicking it, see these many things, whatever how many things, whatever function I have written it will work it on inside the one click only. That is called on click function. So I think you got a on click function. Now let's go with another function, which is keypress.js event. Okay, so same thing, same logic. Let's see, logic will be different but same syntax. Key press, control C, control V, and remove, delete the logic, and delete here also logic. So on key press, constant handle key press equal to function, where inside the function I will write console.log off event.key. Key press means whatever you are pressing inside this, it will be clickable here. That's it. So I want to click it inside the input, so let me copy that syntax. So change event, so key press, here I have to delete on key press. So on key press, press the key, type text, value we no need because we are not transferring any state data. So key press, no need of use state, and now we are importing that. Let's copy the syntax, semicolon, key press event, key press event.js. Let's see, paste it. Now whatever right, it's getting here. If Only difference is even if you enter, it will show the enter value tab, or else tab will not work here. So for example, space bar, see space is there, as you can see space is coming on here. Or else if you check anything like 1 2 3 number also, even though it's a type of text we are giving, we will get a number. That's how means the key press event will happen. So these are the three major things, and apart from that, sometimes rare case scenario we will use another event, which is an like on select event, on select event .js. So rmc now on select event, what we can do here, same, instead of here memo use state, we will use use state calling function. What we can write function first, let write select text, what we are selecting, set select text. So what will it be, use state within value of empty string, because initially the empty string will be there. So once you have declared state value, you can use constant handle select function arrow function, and here constant what you want, use selection, right? Selection equal to event dot target dot value. So let's enter the event. You can write anything, event also, and that event you will use here instead of that. That's it. So what we are using, substring, we are converting the string into, substring is a inbuilt function, whatever we are selecting it will be targeted, and target dot selection start comma event dot target dot selection end. So this is the substring we are making, everything is in a one string of what from starting selection and ending selection, what we are doing it, that's what we are going here. After that what we will do, just setting the set selected text of selection. So what we have declared constant, we will do it, and also we will console dot log of selection comma selection. Okay, for consoling purpose I'm giving. Now let's go into the text area. Here selection will be mostly done with the text area where we will use it. So text area we will use the tag. So inside text area what we can use, placeholder equal to enter the data you want to select. Next, once you got that, you have to set the value, right? Value equal to, what is that, select text. Select text. After value completion you can do on change equal to handle select, what we are doing it, handle select. So once you are selecting it, after that what you can do, once we selected, we can show it in the importing this data. So key release, selecting, so you can import the data with select event from dot class component class event handler class on select event. Now copy the select event and use it here. Oh, sorry, my bad. Oh, everything should be wrapped capital, right? Okay, somewhere we have done error, I think. E is not defined and also memo is not defined, and here it's showing on select memo. Where we have written on select memo? Oh, so React is called in a function on select, and this is neither a React function component or near custom React component. So names must start with an uppercase. React name start with an use. Somewhere we have done mistake. So here on what else we have? E is not defined. Somewhere we have written E. Where is the E? Yeah, here we have event, right? So here is event, here is event. Yeah, see, selection is happening. If you want, you can console the data of selected test and you can check along with it. Okay, the substring which we are giving it is happening in the triggering the selection data. So that selected data, you will get it here itself. As you can see, whenever you are entering the data, it's triggering that one and you are getting the console of selection, where selection data is nothing is there. For example, I will write predefined values, like selecting means it will be selecting data, right? So for example, if you enter the data and any selected the things, you will get a selection data. That's how the on click event, on select event using. So this is the one most rare case we will use it. Mostly we won't use it at all. Only the change event, key press and on click event. Mostly 90% click and on change event only you will use. Key press also rare case scenario. So these are the things, like move close to the right. Okay, event handlers, so form handlers, and what else we have apart from form handlers? Conditional rendering. So conditional rendering, like conditional statements, nothing more than that. Okay, so first let's go with the conditional statements, conditional rendering I mean. Then we can go with the form handlers, and after that remaining few other concepts we have. So these are the all advanced topics. Sorry. So let's go and dig into conditional statement, what it is. Nothing but if else statement, we can say conditional statement, but here we will use ternary operator. means I will tell you example here itself. For example, a equal to 5. Okay, if what will say, if a less than 5, what will say, I need a console dot log of a is smaller than 5. Oh, here it will be like this, that is the issue. Okay, for example, or else what you will say, a is a is larger than 5. Okay, that is the thing how we will do it in else statement. Okay, that is one case. Here in ternary operator, how we will do, simple, nothing more, single line we will do it, and we will keep it here. Simple how we can do means, for example, here only a equal to 5, we will write a condition like a is greater than 5, then print a statement of, if is a greater than 5, you have to write, sorry, a less than 5, we are writing in above condition statement, right? So you will get this condition, or else means just this one condition, and a is larger than 5. That's it. Condition question mark for if, and you will write a value, and after that else case with another value. That is how we will go with the conditional statements, means like a conditional rendering. So how we will do it in real time scenario, I will explain you with a simple example. Okay, so let's go with an, don't save for now. So let's go with the state.js only. In app.js we can call, let's take it as a component, and this one is another component. So in state.js, or else I will create one condition.js. Okay, now RFC, now export default function also we are given it, we can give like this also. So whatever we are doing is, first of all, in app.js we can do one thing. So I'm deleting unnecessary things, so I no need to import all the things for now, and I will remove this logic, this. Okay, return statement also empty. So I will create here itself constant like is logged in, comma, set is logged in equal to, what will as use state with an value of false. Means initially, for example, any candidate is logging into browser like make my trip, for example, let's use book my show. Okay, see, for example Hyderabad, see, this is not logged in, it's in means this is in sign out stage. So once you log in only it will be logged in, right? That's how it will happen. So for that we will do here one logic, means true or false case, where we will get is logged in true once it is true. Okay, so handler login equal to function, and inside this function I'll use set. I'm making, and whenever it is clicked I have to make it as a true, so that whenever in the return element I am clicking on it, it will become as a true, that true value will be is logged in, and that value will be shown, we can show that one. Okay. Mm, how we can write? So now let's go with a fragment. So inside that I will create a div. Inside that div I will create a h1 for heading purpose, conditional rendering. Next, now I will go with an conditional component. Okay, I am sending by a props is logged in equal to, I'll send the data is logged in. Okay, so that I am sending the props. So I am sending another thing is condition, like this is a conditional rendering syntax. What I am sending, if not means this is a not case. If not is logged in, I will show button login. Okay, login with button, handle click button with this one, or else I will show log out in a text format just for a case. Okay, this is the condition. That's what I have given. What I have given here, I have given initially false. When the user click as a login, then it will be a true, then the logged in will be true. If is not, this is the exclamatory before the state means not true means it will be a false. If it is false, I will give a logout as a statement, or else I will give a button for login. That's how I am giving here. So for that I have to import the event. So I will import conditional component, import condition component from path dot slash, what is the path, component slash condition. Okay, so let's go to condition and create the thing you want to check. So once it logged in, for example, if it is logged in, what you want to do, you have to send the props. How will send it is log where it is, yeah, this is the props we are sending it. So this is the props I am pasting here, so that it will, when you are triggering this function, it will get here, and inside the div I will show what I will show. I will write here condition. If in case it is logged in, what I want to show, p tag welcome to home page, you are logged in successfully. Okay, in case my p tag is means it's not logged in. Okay, so first of all I have to create is a HTML structure, then else case, then I will keep another p tag. What I will write in the p tag, please log in. That's it. So this is how we will do it. Let's see what will happen. Somewhere we have so many errors. No, so it's showing conditional rendering of app.js, and it's showing inside this it's is logged in is a false. So if it is false means that is sending in the, how it is sending props, that value sending into props, it's a false. So this is a true case and this is else case, so it will go please log in. So that, for example, if I change that one, you can see here also it will be changed. Okay, that is the thing. Now if I log in, see welcome to home page, you are logged in successfully. So welcome to home page, you are logged in successfully. What will happen here if it is logged in, what I'm showing without button logout. So I can do with this same thing like this one with button logout. So log out, logged in. That is how it's happening. Login, log out. So this is the what scenario for a complete conditional rendering with an example live. So form handling and remaining concepts we will learn in the next session. Thank you.